Good noon, children. As you all know that in the last period we are completed exercise 12b. Let us start the next topic, that is polynomials. Children, you should know the meaning of polynomials, which is written on the board. No need to by heart that as it is, which is there on the board. You should know what it is. Polynomials are expressions, algebraic expressions. In the very first step, if I want to explain to you what are polynomials means, polynomials are expressions like this. This is an algebraic expression, and which expression of the form constant plus constant and variable plus constant and variable square plus constant and variable cube and so on. You can write how many terms you want, you can write those many terms. Because it is polynomial. Meaning of poly is also many. Monomial 1, binomial 2, trinomials 3, tetranomials 4. Here polynomials, the terms are not ending. Dash 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 means that shows terms never ends. So the expressions of the form 2 plus 5x plus 3x square plus 8x cube plus so and so on are called polynomials of x, polynomials in x, where 2, this 2, 5, 3 and 8, they are constants. X is a variable, is called polynomial in x. Children, don't think that only this is polynomial, no. 5 by x is also polynomial. 2 plus 3x plus 8x square is also polynomial. 5y, you will see the constant here and variables. 5, 3, 7, 4 constants. Y cube, y square variables. T variable, 1 is constant. Like this, the expressions which are like, the expressions are of the form like this, they are all polynomials. Then what we are doing under this heading? Children, here we are finding the degrees. Here we are finding their degrees and how it is to be found the highest power of variable. Highest power of variable will be the degree. For example, children, here 5 plus x is nothing is there means its power is 1. We should see the power of variables. We should see the power of variables, not constants. So nothing is there means 1 will be there. So its degree is how much? Degree of this polynomial is 1. Second example, 2 plus 3x plus 8x square, highest degree. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Highest is 2. So its degree is 2. How much highest power? Highest power is the degree. Highest power is the degree. Here y cube 3, y square it is 1, y means 1. Which is highest? Highest power. 3 is the highest power. So its degree is 3. 3 is the highest power, so its degree is 3. Degree means just write highest power. Right, okay. Here t to the power 5. Only one variable t, its power is 5. When power is 5, highest power is 5, its degree is also 5. Interestingly, children, see last example, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 7. It is not at all a polynomial. It is should know why. See, any polynomials which are given the variable in the denominator, it is not a polynomial. Variable should not be in the denominator. If it is in the denominator, then it is a not polynomial. Question is asked in exercise 12C, children. Which are the followings are polynomials and which are not polynomials? How to identify which are not polynomials? See, in the polynomials, where you will get the variable in the denominator, they are not polynomials. Understood? Where the variables you will get in the denominators, they are not polynomials. 1 by x, 1 by x square, 1 by x cube. If you find like that in the expression, they are not polynomials. Okay, quickly let us move towards polynomials in 2 or more variables. This is only one variable we are discussing. X, y, t, x, all one variable. Here, how to find out the degree when 2 or more. See here, 2 variables are the x and y. 2 variables. Here, 3 variables. Total 3 variables are used. X, y, z. What is the highest power? Its power is 1, its power is nothing, its 1, its power nothing. Here only 2 are there. 2 power is 3. So degree is 3. Degree is 3. Quickly look at your children. Its power is 3, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 3, 3. It is 5 x cube y square. 3 plus 2 powers, you should add the powers. Total 5 you will get. So degree is 5. Means when the polynomials in 2 or more variables, if you want to find out the degree, you should add the powers. You should add the powers and write the degree. Same type of questions